At this point, I'd like to turn it over to our attorneys, Mark Hankin and Jeff Mazel, who are going to explain any legal options that are open to us. Mark?
Thank you, Mike. I can't go into it too deeply, but there are several alternatives. The first alternative you've already been spoken to about. Toby Stavitsky, the state senator, in a matter of weeks, put together a bill and submitted it to Albany, along with the assembly person who represents Ed Bornstein, the same district. That's wonderful. I've never heard of such fast action in my entire life. The second possibility is that we keep barraging the Commissioner of Finance with letters, such as the ones that are in the back that you should all sign before we leave. The cooperative is going to mail them for you, so all you need to do is sign it. If we keep barraging them with these letters and they understand how many people this affects and how serious this is, that may have an effect upon Commissioner and make him change his mind as to how he's going to value these properties. And the last thing, my partner and I have been working diligently on filing a complaint against the City of New York. We have not done it as of yet. We are holding out and hoping that perhaps all of you and everybody yelling and screaming and trying to make a point as to how serious this is to middle-class people in Northeast Queens, that they will in fact make the appropriate assessments that they should. If that fails, we intend to file a lawsuit, what's called an Article 78 proceeding, and to tell the city and the commissioner that we believe that his attempt to assess the properties in Northeast Queens are unfair. We're going to tell him that it's arbitrary and capricious in the manner in which he has assessed these properties. We're going to tell him it's abuse of his discretion to come out with 147% increases to properties in Northeast Queens. We're further going to let him know that every taxpayer under the Constitution of the United States and under the New York State Constitution has a right to be treated equally. It's called equal protection. And by not treating the co-ops and the co-op owners in Northeast Queens, or treating them differently than everybody else in the City of New York, that's a violation of your constitutional rights. Yeah. So that's our plan. I want you to know that if in fact we do go to step 3, which is the legal route, I intend to notify every president of every co-op in the entire city. But here tonight we have the President's Council, which represents over 50 presidents of co-ops in Queens and the outlying areas. And they will be on the steps of Supreme Court Queens County with us when we file that petition and let the city know we're not going to allow this to happen.